Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Today, I'm going to repurpose some of the used bottles. If we buy something from the supermarket, it usually comes in small bottles, right? And some of it we just throw it out. So today we're going to reuse them and make them useful again. I'm going to put my spices there. Let's clean it up and decorate it. No, I didn't decorate it actually. Uh, come on, let's do it. Let's go. At the moment, all my spices are placed like this. I plan to repurpose them to put them in bottles so I can easily see them. So these are the bottles that I have washed. After washing them, I was trying to remove the labels and I put some oil in them, and I'm going to try to remove the labels if it will come off now. These are some of the bottles that still have this one, and I put used cooking oil. Used cooking oil there, so maybe it will come off here. Here. And this one too. Yeah, I use the cutter. I use a cutter to remove this one. Anyway, it's easy now. I put oil and yeah, it's easy. This is clean already. Yesterday it looks like this. Okay, I think I have to wash this again because it's so oily. Let's remove all the residue. This one, oh, some still has. I'm gonna wash this. Let's see this one. Okay, it's good. It came off easily. Ay, nako, this one. No na. Not so easy to come off. Maybe this is old already. So these are my bottles here. And these are my spices. I'm gonna transfer this into these bottles. I'm going to put bay leaves. Bay leaves. Sige, pasok, pasok, pasok. Ano kaya next? Tinignan. Inamoy. Hindi. Hindi gagamitin. Ayaw ipasok. Oh, pero pa isa. May paminta. Okay, paminta. Paminta ipasok sa bote. Ay, ayaw. Maliit ang buta. Sige, lakihan. Ayan, mabilis na ang pasok. After the pepper, this is the Chinese 5-spice powder. You put it in. Ta-da!
Ano kaya makuha ko? Ano ba yan? Ano ba mga laman? My curry. Oh, yan. Beef cubes. Sige, hanapan natin ng lalagyan. Oh, wala nang laman. Tatlo lang ang laman ng aking beef cubes. Tapos, nilagay pa sa malaking bote. Ano ba yan? Sige, hanap-hanap. Yan, sinigang. Meron pang tira. Kahit sinigang, tinitira. Ano ba yan? Hindi na lahat niluto.
Magic sarap. Okay, let's put magic sarap here.
May isang balot pa ng paminta. Ihalo, ihalo, ihalo. Oh, madami na. Okay, I bought this online. Chalkboard something eh. So, I can use chalk. Since wala naman akong chalk, nanghiram na lang ako ng pentel pen. Yan. Anong kulay niyan? Bronze. Pentel pen na bronze ang ginamit ko sa pagsulat ng mga name tag ng aking mga spices. Ilan lang yan? 5. So, after magsulat, time to stick it to the bottles. Yan. Yan. Dinikit, dinikit isa. Bay leaf muna, and then yung next is paminta. Paminta. Pepper. Whole pepper. And the next one is the 5-spice powder. And ano pa ba? The beef cubes. Yan o, ang laki-laki ng aking lalagyan. Pero, 3 lang ang laman. The last one yun, magic sarap. Ang konti na lang din ng magic sarap. Yan, tapos na daw. Tapos na, ayan. I-display na sa harapan nyo. Ay, mali. Hindi pa inayos ang pagkakaharap. Yan. Sige, picture na daw. Picture.
These are easy to do things that we can do to organize our cupboards. So if you like my video, please don't forget to thumbs up. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye!